Last time we worked on my brother's bike, it was like a month and a half ago. Anyways, he's back in town now. Really cool because my dad is actually in town as well. All that to say, myself, my brother, and my dad are all gonna be working together. The Three Stooges are gonna be working on one bike. Fantastic. It's been a dream of ours for a really long time to work on dirt bikes together. So this should be a lot of fun.
My bro's back! My bro is back!
My bro is back!
Yeah.
I did it, bro!
I did it, bro!
It's been a long time coming.
Dude, this thing's ready to ride.
Yeah. It's gonna be cool.
Literally stripped the entire bike down to the frame. No wiring harness,
Nada.
no wheels, just the original key.
Think it'll start?
Kick it. Kick it a few times, man. It might start. Seriously. Just kick it, man. Hey, get that
no.
water balloon out of here.
No.
Get out of here with that.
Get out of here.
You're not welcome here.
No. Yeah.
We'll give you a wet willy.
Pretty good. This thing is shredded.
I laugh so hard if you get one of your Jerry curls in there. You pinch it in there.
I'll edge that tube. Hey! Hey! Harry! I'm coming in!
Harry! I'm coming in!
Kindergarten is scared of the dark. So were you, Mom.
Smash his face with an iron.
Satin. Okay. Check pants.
What are you wearing, Jake from State Farm?
Khakis.